Okay. Haya. Lakini unaweza kusema kitu bwana. Unaweza kusema kitu kwa kazi yako na jina yako.
Kwa jina ni Peter Moura, nafanya Shell Joska na tunafurahia sana kazi tunaipiga kwenye inafaa kwa customer wanatupenda.
Okay.
Welcome to Shell, all the people.
Okay, asante sana. Mr. Mogo. Okay. So that is Mr. Mogo from the Shell. So I'm at the Shell Center. I'm having my car being dried here by this gentleman. Wewe unaogopa kamera? Napiga gari yangu. Hii ni yangu. Naambia watu wa YouTube. Gari yangu sasa imekuwa safi kabisa. My vehicle is now very clean. You can see the engine at the Shell. At the Shell place. All right. But I don't know whether the one who is doing it anaogopa camera.
Mwangi the Rasta.
Okay, Mwangi the Rasta is doing the work.
Yeah.
So Mwangi, you can say something about the work you are doing.
Here in Shell we do perfect job. Genuine. We care about our customers.
Okay.
Our customers are our priority.
Asante sana. So the vehicle has been worked on by Mwangi. All right. At the Shell Petrol Station.
Shell Joska Petrol Station.
Shell Joska Petrol Station. Very nice work being done here in the Shell Petrol Station. Kadonda kabio negera. Gege atiri. Kaga ndona ni watheria wega muno. Okay. All right. Haya. Sawa sawa. So this is the Shell Petrol Station. I think I can take a picture of this place somewhere there. The Shell Petrol Station. This is where my vehicle has been done thorough cleaning at this place. As this Shell Petrol Station, Joska. So you can see there are various services here. I think they do a clean work because the vehicles which are here are so many. It's like Saturday. You know, today is Saturday, and there are so many vehicles. It's like the vehicles are competing here. All right. So the place looks quite big. Right. Like you even have there whatever here for checking pressure. There. Is it there or pressure? I don't know whether it is there or pressure, but you can see the place. And then around the place, you have people selling things. Right? There are some mama boga around. Maybe to sell to the customers who come to take who come to take their vehicles here. I can even also see there are so many things here. Let me show you. Because they are even a coffee point in this place. And the workers are very friendly here. The workers are very friendly here. There is a beauty parlor there. Then we have this place is where they sell gas. Alright. It's where they sell the gas. You can see they have Afri-Gas. Alright. Then they have arranged joints, coffee joints. And there is also a place where I buy newspapers here. I normally buy newspapers here. But you can see there is arranged coffee joints. So it's like I'm through with the Shell, and I think I'll end my video there and maybe call it a nice day by interacting with these fellows around here. They are very good to the customers, and you can see they are very, very busy, all of them here in this place. Like that man there, the one I was helping just now, and my friend there is still. So guys, with those few remarks, may I see you next time. Goodbye. And I'll end my video by showing you that the Shell is just along the new Kangudo Road. When I was taking videos. So that's where the Shell is. And you end up here. And there is also a stage, and opposite it we have National Oil. So this is the new Kangudo Road. So this is where I'll end my videos, guys. To the new subscribers, come and watch my videos. To the only subscribers, please, I'll continue giving you videos. Other people coming in, welcome to my YouTube channel. Goodbye, guys, and see you next time.